First, create the Dockerfile and add all the required configurations for your Laravel application. Next, create the docker-compose.yml file. This file defines all the services needed for the project, including the application, PostgreSQL database, volumes, and any additional services. After that, create a Docker directory and add an entry.sh file. Here, you can automate Laravel tasks such as running migrations, seeders, clearing caches, and optimizing the application. Once everything is configured, open the terminal, build the Docker images, and start the containers using Docker Compose. That's it. Your Laravel application is now running inside Docker with PostgreSQL. The complete source code is available in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Laravel and Docker tutorials.